So we're going to take a look at a junior cert higher level algebraic fractions question. So it's 2019 question 11, paper 1. And we've been given this equation here, 3x plus 5 over 2 plus x minus 4 over 3 is equal to 16. We're asked to solve this equation, which means that our last line should have x equals and then whatever the answer is going to be. And they ask us to leave the answer in the form m over n, where m and n are natural numbers. So basically they just want us to leave it as a fraction. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to put the 16 over 1 so that all the terms in the equation are written as fractions initially. So we're going to start by drawing a line across the width of the sum. So this is going to represent our new fraction with the lowest common denominator on the bottom of this fraction. And the lowest common denominator of 2, 3 and 1 is 6. 6 is the lowest number that 2, 3 and 1 all divide evenly into. What we've done is we've basically turned all the bottoms of the fractions, the denominators, into 6, and so we need to multiply the tops of the fractions to keep them equivalent. And the way that we do that is we decide, well, what did I multiply 2 by to get 6? Well, 2 and 6 goes 3 times, so I must have multiplied it by 3. That means I need to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by 3. So that's going to be 3 times 3x plus 5. Similarly with the second fraction, what did I multiply 3 by to get 6? Well, I multiplied it by 2. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. So I need to multiply the numerator, x minus 4, by 2. And then finally, 1 into 6 goes 6 times. So to turn 1 into a 6, I multiplied it by 6. I need to multiply the numerator, 16, by 6. Now, because all of the terms are over 6, we can drop the 6, and the left-hand side of the numerator must be equal to the right-hand side of the numerator. So multiplying out the top line, we have 3 by 3x is 9x, 3 by 5 is 15, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times minus 4 is minus 8, and 6 times 16 is equal to 96. We're going to collect the x terms on the left-hand side, so 9x plus 2x, and any number term we're going to have on the right-hand side. So we already have a 96 there. We don't want any numbers on the left-hand side, so to get rid of the plus 15 from the left-hand side, I subtract 15 from both sides. To get rid of the minus 8 from the left-hand side, I add an 8 to both sides. I'm going to simplify the left side and the right side, so 9x plus 2x is 11x, and 96 minus 15 plus 8 is 89. And then finally, to get x on its own, I'm going to divide both sides by 11. So 11x divided by 11 is x, and then we have 89 divided by 11. And they ask us to leave the answer in the form m over n, so where m and n are natural numbers, and 89 and 11 are both natural numbers. We have a top-heavy fraction, and in honours maths we can expect to see fraction answers like this, and this is fine.